What if you could send a camera-equipped robot into tight, rough, or hard-to-reach spaces while watching everything live from your phone? That's exactly what makes this DIY robot car so interesting. With 4WD mobility, Wi-Fi video transmission, remote control, and programmable features, it's built for more than just driving around. But can this little robot actually be useful for real DIY and robotics projects? Today, we're taking a closer look to find out. You'll find the product link in the description below.
One of the biggest highlights is the built-in camera with Wi-Fi video transmission. The robot can stream live video wirelessly, allowing you to see what the camera sees while controlling the car remotely. This can be useful for robotics projects, indoor exploration, educational demonstrations, and experimental remote monitoring applications. The robot also features a smart 4WD system, giving it better traction when moving across uneven surfaces. Its omnidirectional wheel design can also improve maneuverability, making it easier to move around different environments.
For DIY enthusiasts, this isn't just a regular remote control toy. It's designed as a programmable robotics platform, compatible with Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and Uno-based programming. That makes it interesting for students, beginners, and makers who want hands-on experience with robotics, coding, wireless control, and camera-based projects. Another interesting feature is AI visual recognition and tracking. Depending on the configuration and supported setup, the robot can provide intelligent tracking functions, giving makers more possibilities for experimental robotics projects.
The camera is also available in different configurations, including adjustable or fixed camera options. This gives you more flexibility, depending on how you plan to use the robot. Pros: Wi-Fi video transmission, real-time camera streaming, smart four-wheel drive platform, DIY programmable design, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and Uno compatibility, AI visual recognition and tracking, remote control functionality, useful for educational robotics projects. Cons: advanced features may require programming knowledge. Different camera and RC configurations may offer different capabilities. Recommended for users aged 14 and above. Final verdict: overall, this DIY wireless video robot car is more than just a remote control vehicle. Its combination of Wi-Fi video transmission, 4WD mobility, programmable electronics, and AI-based features makes it an interesting platform for learning and experimenting with robotics. It's especially suitable for students, DIY makers, robotics enthusiasts, and anyone interested in building a smart, camera-controlled robot. If you found this review helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.